Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. Well, guys, sometimes you try to practice IELTS, but you find IELTS very difficult. I'm an IELTS trainer, okay? Right? When you solve academic IELTS reading tests, you are in trouble. At times, you don't understand anything. There are 3 long passages, 40 questions, and all that. On the other hand, IELTS writing and then IELTS listening, all these things are quite challenging for the students. There is another test which is Pearson Test of English, PTE, and this test is gaining popularity after IELTS, right? And the good news is, whenever you go to Canada, you apply for a student visa. There is one normal stream and there is one SDS stream. They call it student direct stream. Now, what is student direct stream? You have to deposit 10,000 Canadian dollars in your account. They open your account before you go there, before you get the visa. They open your account in Canada and you have to deposit 10,000 Canadian dollars in that account, and that is for you to spend throughout the year. I mean, when you go there, you can withdraw all the money at once and all that, right? So that is a sort of a proof that you can afford to study in Canada. So before this, for student direct stream, they were not accepting PTE. But now they have announced on their official website that PTE academic will be accepted for student direct stream. This is a great news, especially for those who are struggling with IELTS with no success. Now they have a chance to switch to PTE, and then they can get their desired score out of 90 in PTE, and then they can apply for Canadian student direct stream. As I've already started to teach PTE, like I've been studying PTE for the last couple of months. One of my good friends, Rizwan from Mandi Bahauddin, he's got his Zoya IELTS zone. He teaches IELTS, PTE and all that. And he gave me this wonderful demonstration on PTE. And then he motivated me to teach PTE, and very soon I'm going to make my proper videos on Pearson Test of English as well. So for those IELTS is really difficult, you have another opportunity, and that is Pearson Test of English, and I will make PTE videos as well. I'll try to simplify PTE to you guys as well. Thank you so much, guys. I also teach IELTS and PTE live. In physical classes and online live as well. If you wish to be the part of my IELTS or PTE physical classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.